Hi there, Chris here, and Suki over there contemplating things. I thought I would do a quick pick on this Yale. It's Yale in town. It's a very cool little lock. It's a major code on the back. There's bidding on the key. And this one, if and it says Hardens on the Shackle and Yale in Town Manufacturing Company. And all of the Yale locks I've seen say super pin tumbler on them. This one says high grade pin tumbler. So I'm going to pick my high grade pin tumbler here. Don't ask me why it has that on it. It's an oldie, but it's taken some wax. And this is one of those ones, if you look faintly, you can see the whole plate comes off. William Mansell has done videos on taking these apart and keying them and putting this little plate back. Not an easy thing. Anyway, there's the key. There's the bidding on the key. And that's what it says. So let's get this high grade pin tumbler. Let's give this a shot. I think I have picked this on my channel, and I was looking for it because I could have swore there was one lock that didn't say super pin tumbler on it. Yes, Suki. And it's a tricky little pick. I guess it's because it's high grade. And it must have a million wafers in it. Sometimes that makes it easier. Sometimes doesn't make much of a difference, and sometimes they're harder. I would say this one probably would fall into the harder category. Boy, I'm not getting anything up in the back. And I might go ahead and try and rake it too. There we go. That was a good set. Now the core is quieting down. Now who is it? Usually these give it up on 3 or 4 Yales. If you wanted to make a general statement on where they usually give it up. There we go. So we got the high grade. Anyway, it's beautiful old Yale. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, certainly make a comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.